In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create redirect rules in Cloudflare without page rules. If you've ever needed to send traffic from an old URL to a new one, organize a site restructure, or handle legacy links after a migration, redirect rules are a fast, flexible way to do it at the edge without using traditional page rules. First, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to work with. This ensures any change you make is scoped to the right zone. Next, head to Rules, then choose Redirect Rules. Depending on your account view, you might also see Rules Overview with a Create Rule button. Select Redirect Rule from there. On this page, Cloudflare may show ready-made templates for common patterns, like moving from HTTP to HTTPS or consolidating subdomains. These can be helpful starting points, but you can create a rule from scratch just as easily. Give your rule a clear name so you'll recognize it later, something like Redirect Old Path. Names don't affect behavior, but they're invaluable for keeping things organized as your rules grow. Under When incoming requests match, choose how Cloudflare should detect the traffic to redirect. For simple patterns across protocols or subdomains, use a wildcard pattern, such as HTTP example.com old was to catch anything under an old directory. If you truly need to move everything, pick all incoming requests, but use caution to avoid redirect loops. Make sure the destination is different from the source. For precision, choose Custom Expression and use the expression editor. For example, http://request URI path EQ old page matches a single exact path. Now configure what happens next in the Then section. Set the target URL to where you want visitors sent. This can be a specific page or a pattern that mirrors part of the original path, depending on your match type. Choose a status code, 301 for permanent moves, which is best for SEO and long-term changes, or 302 for temporary moves when you plan to revert later. Decide whether to preserve query string. Turn this on if those parameters carry important info like tracking tags or filters you want to keep on the destination. When you're happy with the configuration, save and deploy the rule. Cloudflare will apply it at the edge, so changes take effect quickly worldwide. As a best practice, test a few example URLs in a private browser window to confirm the redirect works as expected and doesn't loop. If you need deeper syntax help or matching examples, Cloudflare's documentation provides clear references you can consult while you fine-tune your expressions. That's it. Your redirect is live, efficient, and managed entirely without page rules.